common thing that we'd ever see a guy do is he try to hook the head and he try to come straight down to the body, right? Now, if I get too slow and he blocks it, I miss my opening. So whenever you get an opening on a move, we got to take advantage of it. I'm going to go back to just a simple thing. We spent a lot of time working on getting to 2-on-1s. Some of these guys are tough. Have you ever seen, you know, the old school WWE European uppercut?
Yeah.
We're doing some pro wrestling today. We're throwing a European uppercut. Boom, to get that arm cleared, to get to that 2-on-1. So as soon as I throw that to there, I got this 2-on-1. This is what I call the bell tower. I'm just going to put it on the ground. Looks stupid, but it works. Start working that arm. Pro wrestling's real. How many times have you seen guys working these series? Switch off to stuff. Going back. Remember, I hit the head, I hit the body, I'm hitting the body. That's how I'm going to get to his leg. I'm going to run him over with a shoulder tackle to the rib cage. If he's a tough, high-level wrestler, might not fall for it. He might take the hit, pull his hips back and face. I just hit him hard in the ribs, though. So be a tough, high-level wrestler. You're not going to give up the takedown because you train hard. Yeah. You prepared for this, you sacrifice. We're not pussing out the first 2 minutes of the match. We're just not. You just put a little energy?
Yeah.
Was it worth it?
Yeah.
You might give up a head snap next time. Do that a couple times, the guy might decide, I'll find a way on this match. So we're collar tying, pushing through that European uppercut. First one, bell tower. Second one, I got my opening to the ribs. I'm gonna throw it by, and I'm just gonna hit him as hard as I can with that rib. Get to that leg. Now we're back to the same drill that we did earlier today, okay? Now let's go do some pro wrestling. Ready?